Hi, today we're talking about IP addresses, the unique numbers that identify every device connected to a network or the internet. We'll cover what they are, the difference between public and private IPs, static and dynamic IPs, IPv4 and IPv6, and how things like subnet masks and default gateways help devices communicate with each other. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a number assigned to every device connected to the internet. Think of it like a home address for your computer. It tells other devices where to send information. IP addresses serve two main purposes: identifying a device on a network and indicating its location. A public IP address is the address your network uses to communicate on the internet, making it visible to websites and online services. In contrast, a private IP address is used only within a local network, such as at home or in an office. Your router assigns a unique private IP address to each device on the network. This system allows multiple devices to share a single public IP address, while keeping their individual private IPs hidden and secure within the local network. A static IP address never changes. It's perfect for servers or services that need a consistent, reliable address. A dynamic IP address changes over time. Most everyday users have dynamic IPs because the internet service provider automatically assigns them, and they can change when you reconnect or after a set period. You can also manage them manually. For example, you can assign a static IP to a device in your network or set your device to automatically get a dynamic IP. Every IP address is made of two parts, the network ID and the host ID. The network ID identifies the network a device belongs to, while the host ID identifies the specific device within that network. This separation is defined by something called a subnet mask, which tells devices which part of the IP address refers to the network and which part refers to the individual device. Thanks to this system, many devices can be connected to the same network, all sharing the same network ID but each having its own unique host ID. The default gateway is the device that connects your local network to other networks, usually the internet. You can think of it as a doorway. When your computer wants to send data outside your local network, it sends it to the default gateway, which forwards it to the right destination. Most of the time, the default gateway is your router's IP address. Without it, devices on a local network can talk to each other but cannot reach the internet. IPv4 is the fourth version of the Internet Protocol and is still widely used today. It uses 32-bit numbers and is written as 4 numbers separated by dots, with each number ranging from 0 to 255. IPv6 is the newer version of the Internet Protocol, developed to replace IPv4 due to the limited number of available addresses. An IPv6 address uses 128-bit binary numbers, written as 8 groups of hexadecimal values separated by colons. This allows for a vastly larger number of unique addresses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me create more content. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.